Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on Hubspot CRM. Now, Hubspot CRM is basically the core of the Hubspot platform. You have many free features such as the contact, deal, task management, email tracking, meeting scheduling, live chat, and more. Some of the features that I'm going to be showing here actually need you to have a subscription, okay? But even then, you can start like professional subscription for free for 14 days if this is something that you want to do. Okay, so here I basically want to show you like the basics of which is going to be how to add a contact, associate the right company automatically, log emails and calls, book meetings, create a deal, work from a prioritized task queue, and read a simple report. Follow along and you will be CRM ready today. The first thing that I'm going to show you is how to connect your inbox so emails log to the CRM and can be tracked from your mailbox. Okay, so I'm just going to ask you to go here to your settings. All right, and just click on basically profiles and preferences. Now just come to the email section in here, and I'm gonna ask you to, connect to this personal email, which in my case I already have, but you're gonna have a button here that it says, connect email. So just click there, and you can connect to your Gmail, which is what I did. Keep in mind that the status should be green. As you can see here, it says disable. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click on actions, and I'm gonna click on reconnect. Okay. I'm also going to turn on the inbox automation. This is going to allow you to turn on the artificial intelligence features. But yeah, guys, just click on continue. And that's it. Make sure that the status is set to enabled. Now let's scroll down until we find objects in the data management sections. We're just going to go to activities here. And then I want you to focus on the email log and track. And I want you to tick these features, allow all users to log email attachments, basically, and allow all users to track email and see recipients open and click on their emails. Okay, these are essential in my opinions. Now we're going to capture our first, prospect, our first lead, which is going to be Alex Rivera. Okay. Now what are we going to do? We're going to come to the CRM section in here, and I want you to go to the contact section, as you can see. Now I'm just going to click on, create a contact. And now you just have to basically, fill in the rest of the details, okay? Such as lead status and so on, so on. Whenever you're ready, just click on create here. Amazing. As you can see, guys, HubSpot can auto-create and associate the company from the email domain, It automatically recognizes that the company is Evergreen, okay? Which we can access by going to this link. But yeah. If you didn't match it correctly, you can click on add in here and you can add whatever company is this guy from, okay? So yeah. Also, this is gonna create like a record on the companies section in here, okay? So that's very important too. If you wanna remove this company or this association from this company, just click on more and click on remove association. Now, in the activities section in here, you can basically see, the emails that you have sent, the calls, the meetings, the note, the task, and all of the updates that you have made on this contact. Now, what are we going to do, guys? We're going to send this guy an email by clicking on this button here that says email. Amazing. And just attach like a subject and like a short email to welcome this guy. Okay. What I like about this is that you can basically, create like a task to follow up after you send this email. So as you can see here, we can create like a to-do task, after 3 days, for example, or 2 days or whatever. Whenever you are ready, just click on send and that's it. You can also call this guy by just clicking on this button here, but that's gonna require you to have like a certain, service, which is called Hubspot Calling, which is gonna charge you money. Now let's talk about how we can book meetings, okay? Let's just go to the sales section and then meeting scheduler. And I'm gonna ask you to connect to your calendar in here, okay? Just click on Google, in my case, and connect your calendar. And then you can just come to the contact again and just click on meeting, and that's gonna open a page where you can send him a scheduling link. When a meeting is booked, you can create a deal so revenue is trackable, okay? So just come to the CRM again, just go to deals, and just click on create a deal in here. And now let's give this deal a certain name, which is going to be Evergreen 50 kilowatts array. I'm going to set this stage to appointment schedule because we just book a meeting, and you can set the amount to whatever you are planning on making. Okay, let's say that I want to make $10,000, for example, right? And now it's very important, guys, that you must associate this deal with the contact, which in my case is Alex. Okay, so let's associate this guy in here, and great. You can also associate it with a certain company, as I'm going to do here, and that's going to be it. And whenever you move on onto this stage, you can just click on here and you can change the status, okay? Qualified to buy, contract sent, close, and so on and so on. Finally, let's check whether your actions are moving revenue. What I want you to do now is I just want you to go to the reporting section, go to reports in here, and let's create a new report. Now we're going to base this report on a single object, which is going to be our deals, okay? Because we want to check basically, or we want to create a report on our deals. So what are we going to do? We're going to go to basically data sources, all right? And we're going to search for deals in here. You can also choose, by the way, the kind of visualization that you're looking for. It can be like a pie, a funnel, horizontal bar, depending on what you want to do. I'm going to select a pie chart. And you're going to be able to see basically different graphs in here that you can export, okay? If you want to export them, just go to the reporting section again and just, click on here, actions, and then share via, all right? So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I mean, Hubspot is a very complete tool, but in general, it's very simple to use. And the only thing that you must keep in mind is that you have, a lot of things such as the contacts, the leads, and the deals. But the most important two are probably just the contacts and the leads. Okay, guys? So yeah, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.